If you're getting ready to take the West Virginia Residential Contractor exam and you want to pass it on your first try, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down what this license actually covers, the exact reference books you're allowed to use, key strategies to avoid common mistakes, and how to study smarter, not longer. Both exams are open book, but don't let that fool you. Most people fail because they don't know how to use their books efficiently, so let's fix that. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the West Virginia Residential Contractor exam, stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all West Virginia prep materials toward the end of the short video. A West Virginia residential contractor is licensed through the West Virginia Contractor Licensing Board with exams developed and administered by Prove. So what can they do? They can do residential construction work, single and two-family dwellings up. Unlike remodeling or repair, there's no $40,000 project cap, and plan reading to finish work. Exam content spans the full build, plan reading, site work, concrete, masonry, carpentry, interior finish, exterior finish, and OSHA safety. To get licensed as a residential contractor, you have to pass two separate exams. The business and law exam is 50 questions and you'll have 3 hours. That's going to cover business organization, contracts estimating and bidding, financial management, labor law, licensing, lien law, project management, risk management, OSHA safety, and tax law. The residential contractor exam is 80 questions and you'll have 3 hours. It's going to cover plan reading, site work, concrete, masonry, carpentry, interior finish, exterior finish, and safety. Both exams are open book and computer-based, administered by Prove, a testing center statewide. You need a 70% passing score on each exam. The residential contractor exam draws from the same 3 references as the remodeling or repair exam, but weighting it differently. The International Residential Code has 40% of the exam questions. The study guide for residential carpentry has 38%. The masonry and site work for a residential contractor has 25%. Carpentry carries nearly as much weight as the code book here, so don't shortchange that reference while you're tabbing. All your books may be highlighted and tabbed with permanent tabs before the exam. The business and law exam is completely separate, with 100% of its questions coming from a single book, the West Virginia Business and Law Study Guide for Contractors 6th edition. What's the #1 reason contractors fail? It's not a lack of knowledge, it's a no exam strategy. Most candidates know residential construction, but they fail because they don't know how to navigate their reference books. So here's how to study the right way. You're going to want to tab and highlight your code books. You're going to want to have realistic practice questions in a simulated environment and a time study routine. If your exam is coming up, practice under real time pressure and train your hands to find answers automatically. That's how first-time passers study. No two contractors study the same way. That's why One Exam Prep offers multiple exam prep options designed to fit every learning style, schedule, and budget for your West Virginia residential contractor prep. We've got the online course, which is going to walk you through every exam topic step by step. The book package gives you the official reference materials approved for the exam. The highlight and tab book package, your books arrive professionally highlighted and tabbed so you can find the answers fast. The book rental gives you access to the professionally highlighted and tabbed books and online course, and you can return those books and get a deposit refund. The ultimate package is going to give you the book rental, the professionally highlighted and tabbed books, the online course, access to the live training with live and recorded instructor-led classes, and we're going to do the application for you. And finally, the one package we add setting up your business for you. Use code WV10RES at checkout for 10% off any of these packages. If you set up your prep correctly and train for speed, passing the West Virginia Residential Contractor exam on the first try is very doable. If you want a guided study plan, practice support, and a proven system to get through both exams faster, check out One Exam Prep resources below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more licensing videos, and we'll see you in the next one.